Good morning. Mr. Young, Chairman YBTT, my fellow colleagues at the head table, Mr. Mitchell and Mr. Lewis, fellow persons of the media, invited guests, good morning to all of you. It is with great pleasure that I represent NEDCO to be part of this media launch here this morning. I will be short, but straight to the point. Mr. Rawlinson knows me as that individual. Let me say from the onset that NEDCO, National Entrepreneurship Development Company Limited, is 100% behind this project. We will give full support to the project and the host, YBTT, for this Global Entrepreneurship Week. We wish to pledge our sponsorship. We wish to pledge our representation on any committees, any teams, any sort of organizing units that has to be involved to get this going. We pledge that. We wish to pledge our technical assistance and whatever training support we can give. And most of all, we will pledge the use of our facilities, our networking relationships, everything. In other words, NEDCO giving everything that is possible to make this a success. And why is that? We at NEDCO do not see YBTT or Junior Achievement as competitors. We actually don't see anybody as our competitors. We are prepared to work with anyone to develop entrepreneurs and develop small businesses in this country. So if Scotiabank comes to me, we do. Right? And there's thing, because it cannot be developing an entrepreneur is not a competition. Because at the end of the day, if someone has the interest to become an entrepreneur, they will go wherever they can get the support. So we don't see it as being a competition. We see it working in harmony with all the groups. So we pledge our support. And just to share some other areas in terms of what is happening in terms of entrepreneurship within Trinidad and Tobago, the chairman, Mr. Young, spoke about it. The program that he attended here with Minister King, that has actually come to fruition. There's what they call the I2I program, the Innovators program, which has already been launched. I think there are about 60 or 70 persons, and NEDCO's role in that is that we are handling the disbursement of the funds and the part management of the actual innovative project or what these individuals are taking part. So that has already gone a stage ahead. Up to yesterday, we had 2 disbursements. So there are young people out there creating their ideas into reality that hopefully, maybe in 5 years' time, we will have Bill Gates Caribbean. Right? We have also, next week, NEDCO and the University of the West Indies will be signing an MOU, and that has to do with entrepreneur training, development, online training. UE has the facility for online training. It's not been well utilized. NEDCO is going to work and think. We have also started the incubator project. Trinidad is the only country outside of Europe and the Australian area, New Zealand area, that has really an incubator. There's 1 or 2 in the States, but it's not a full 100% what they call incubator, and there's none in the southern hemisphere. Trinidad and Tobago is the one that actually has launched incubators for small business, and we are going to launch a few more of those. And let me also say that NEDCO and our subsidiary unit called ETIC is the only agency that was really set up to do entrepreneurial training, and we are now expanding that. And in fact, Mr. Mitchell would know, we are the only library in the country that has an entrepreneur library. I'm sure people don't know that, but the only where you can actually go and get information on entrepreneurship and things is out of our libraries. So just to summarize, NEDCO is 100% behind this project because it's something that we have been doing, we will continue to do, and we'll give the support. And we will partner this year and in the coming years. Thank you.